I can add without regrouping. Good morning, first grade. I bet you're ready for a new math packet. We are going to be working today on addition without regrouping. But first, let's do a little review. Get out a piece of paper and with your paper, write the numbers 21, 10, and 11. We are just reviewing our fact families first. Of course, I will start. I'm going to do the first one with you. 21 minus 10. Everyone equals what? You got it. 11. 21 minus 11 equals 10. Now I'm going to do my addition facts, first grade. 10 plus 11 equals 21. 11 plus 10 equals 21. First graders, this is our number sense practice. You are working on your fact family. I'm going to give you one to do on your own. Go for it. I bet you have something similar to this. 34 minus 21 equals 13. 34 minus 13 equals 21. 21 plus 13 equals 34. 13 plus 21 equals 34. On your paper, they want you to just practice the missing number. There is not a pattern. So there is a pattern, friends. It's counting by ones. Write the missing number. Pause the movie. And your missing numbers were, after 91 came 92, 93, 94. After 101, we wrote 102, 103. All right, first graders, for some more fluency practice today, we are working on our addition and subtraction word problems. So listen to the word problem and then figure out what you're going to put down. Mrs. Moore's problem goes like this. I went to the store and bought 15 apples. I bought 20 bananas. How much fruit in all did I buy? So on my paper, I did 15 plus 20. Now, this is an addition problem. I can easily work the ones column. What is 5 plus 0? 5. What is 1 plus 2 more? That would be 3. There were 35 pieces of fruit. Listen to my takeaway problem, subtraction. My neighbor had 25 cows. She went out to count them and there were only 12. How many cows ran away? Well, if I look in my ones column on a takeaway, this number has to be bigger. Can I take 2 away from 5? Oh, yes, that gives me 3. And 1 away from 2, this is bigger? Yes, I can take that away. My answer is 13. All right, first grade, today we are going to focus on adding numbers together that do not need to be regrouped. We have done that before. However, now these are much larger numbers. Our target for learning is I can add without regrouping. So what they wanted us to do today is gather on the carpet with our tens and our ones board and our cubes. You cannot do that because I don't have them here. And you don't have them to manipulate. So you might want to get a piece of paper out and draw it out like Mrs. Moore is. I'll show you. I have my boards labeled the tens on this side, the ones on this side. They want me to do this addition problem. 52 plus 7. So the first job I have is to model 52. Well, you all know how to do that. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2. There is 52. Now, they want me to add 7 more. Do you think I put the 7 more in the tens place or the ones place? Correct. I'm going to put it in the ones place. So I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have some time to figure out what 52 plus 7 equals because I have 52 modeled here and I have 7 modeled here. I can add it up. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 52 plus 7 equals 59. This is the strategy I'm modeling today, but I bet some of you could come up with some different strategies. Let's share them right now. If it's 52 plus 7, could I have used 7 fingers to add on? Sure, because I have 7. Could I have counted on a number board, started at 52 and counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Yes. Could I have done a number line? All of those strategies would have worked. All of them would have been an easy way to solve that math problem. Let's do the next problem, 81 plus 6. Again, 81 plus 6, they want me to model it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 1. Mrs. Moore modeled the first number, 81. I have to add 6 more. 5, 6. Here we go. 81. I probably don't even need to count all these tallies separately. I can just count on 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. 81 plus 6 more is 87. Let's try to model 74 plus 3. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3, 1, 2, 3. 74 plus 3. 74, 75, 76, 77. Boys and girls, when you practice drawing them out on your tens and ones board, it helps you work without regrouping. I am wishing we were at school for many reasons, but also for the math practice, because look how fun our game was going to be. You were going to get a board and all your tens and ones, and then you were going to have to model these cards with your partner. Sort of like what we were just doing now, you would be adding up using your tens and ones. Well, your assignment, your first assignment in your new math packet looks like this. It wants you to draw out the math problems and add them up. So just like Mrs. Moore did on her notebook page, today, my friends, you are doing it on your math page as well. Now, number bonds. We haven't done them I don't really think we did them last unit much. So you have to be careful. It looks like today, every single number bond is requiring you to subtract. So look at the first one. It has 29 as the answer. What two numbers make up 29? Well, I have to take 4 away from there to find out. 29, count backwards. 28, 27, 26, 25. Write my answer, 25, right there. Right here, go to the next one. 20 minus 5. That's super easy. You guys know how to count forwards and backwards but 5s. 15. Have fun doing math. I think you're amazing.